How's it going, guys? It's been a long time since I last made a video. Well, I'm finally done with college. I graduated with my bachelor's degree in civil engineering, and now I have a job down in Anchorage. So we moved down from Fairbanks and been super busy moving and starting a new job, and we just happened to want to go down to the Valdez STOL aircraft competition, and it's one of my favorite drives coming through Keystone Canyon. You got the beautiful views, so I flew my drone and we watched the whole air show and we had a good time. So I'm putting together a little short video, and hopefully in the future we'll have some better content. We plan on going to Seattle and exploring around Washington for a little bit, so there's going to be some cool footage and stuff coming up in the future. So just stay around and some more footage will be coming out, hopefully on a more productive pace. I always set goals for myself and then they never happen, but now I actually have time to make more videos, so we'll get back at it. Alright, let's jump into this video.